everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. Tassel kurtis are still in trend and plain kurtis looks stylish when you add tassels in it. Not only in the neckline, but you can also put tassels anywhere in the kurti. So in this video, I am showing you few tassel kurti designs. So continue watching the video till the end to know where else you can add tassels and convert your plain kurti into a designer piece.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.